Hi everyone, I'm Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. Today we will learn how to paint a tree in acrylic. We can paint different types of trees. A hyper-realistic tree, an abstract tree, a comic style tree, or something completely on your own style. In this video, I will be giving the basics of tree painting to get you started. You can see a countless leaves, branches, shadows, highlights and colors in a tree. So while painting a tree, you just have to narrow down on the important detail. A tree is a complex arrangement of shapes, lines and colors. You must learn how to simplify the information before painting a tree. Once you see the tree in the terms of basic color shapes, the rest is much easier. You need not to get lost in the detail by making each and every leaf and branches. Observe the shape of the trees you are going to paint. Are they tall and slim, short and round, large and majestic? Notice the type of their leaves. The great thing about art is that you can take a reference photo and make it your own way by adding or subtracting a few artistic touches. Don't forget the atmospheric influence on the color of the leaves and trunks. Bright sunshine, setting or rising sun, dusk or moonlight night, all of these will add shadows, highlights and reflection to your leaves and trunk. Take time to study the perspective of your painting. Trees in the foreground will be larger and more detailed than the background trees. The colors and the textures in the foreground trees will be more vibrant. The background trees tends to be less defined. Most of the beginner painters think that we just have to buy a set of green colors for the tree painting. The green included in the set is not ideal for tree. It needs to be toned down or lightened up a bit for necessary shadows and highlights. First of all, let me tell you, tree trunks are not always brown. There are many different colors including greys, blacks and whites. I have two bowls of water here, one for cleaning brush and the other one for diluting paint, a palette and a rag. I have few brushes with me. This one is round brush and this one fan brush. Most of the artists prefer a fan brush for tree painting, but here I am using round brush. We get acrylic colors in tubes also. They are heavy duty, more pigmented colors comparing to the bottles. I am taking yellow, white, little green, blue, brown and sap green in the palette. If you mix blue and yellow, we will get green. We can make different shades of green mixing various colors. I am using a flat brush for the sketching. If you want, you can do sketching with pencil. I am placing the branches wherever I want to. Begin by making a line with a flat or round brush. Now get the basic shapes like limbs of the trees and the desired number of branches. The trunk of the tree should be thick from bottom. We will take some brown, blue, yellow and some white in palette. For the darker tones, add some blue to the brown. Apply this color wherever needed. Now we may need some yellow to mix with brown to get mid-tone. And place this near to the dark brown. And merge them together. For the highlight and the lighter tone, just add white to it. We have done with our trunk painting. Our trunk and branches are ready now. Now add some foliage to your tree. Start with the darkest of your greens. The dark green will act as shading for your tree. For making darker green color, we will add a little brown and blue to the color green. Next, add some of your mid-tones in the same manner. For making mid-tone, just add less amount of blue and brown to the green. Now you can add some light tones to make your tree pop up. Then you can continue to add highlights and shading where you see necessary. These are just basics to get you started. I hope all these tips helped to get you started with landscapes. I'll be making few more in-depth tutorials later on. If you have any questions or suggestions, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Thanks for watching and keep painting.